Here got the fan. This is national ceiling fan. Here's the fan up. High speed. Lighting for the medium high. The environment. In the naked environment. And that the job spin up. Does it like turn high? We should have spin up first and the video later. So this is the power measurements of the numbers is in here for every second year and levelly up to the electric fans. We should have spin up first and the video that I not forget of is liver vitamin. Medium high. Here's a linear environment. You can see. That is here on the top. There's net tag here. This is right here. Right there. And after the page. So it's just like here. And here medium. And low. Here's the noon. Which I spend of time. So like here. Which I turn high. That's here. On the second, it's like turn high. So that's high, medium, low, low, medium, high. So I will above the national ceiling fan. Thanks for watching for you and coming. Hope you guys know I will can be enjoyed for every second month here. So yeah, thanks for watching.